Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a photo to your notes on the Evernote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the first notebook icon, which is your one and only notebook, and here you can find several notes. So click on the one to which you would like to add a photo. Now click on the edit button down below, indicated by this pencil image. Now click on the second option in the middle of the screen, which is the camera icon. Now press settings in order to be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to allow the Evernote application to access your camera. So click on the first option saying camera, thereby turning on this function. So by going back to the application, you will be able to add a picture to your notes. So just simply click on the edit button and then again on the camera image, and now you either allow Evernote to access your photos, therefore you can choose a picture from your gallery, or you can also take a picture and then press the button save in order to insert this picture to your notes. So as you can see, it has been inserted. So if you would like to save this note, just click on this check mark icon in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving your note. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.